Hi, this is Michael Romita, the president of the Westchester County Association. I want to start by sending out a special thanks to our hospital and healthcare workers. On behalf of the association and all of our members, we're thinking of your tireless dedication and your perseverance. I also want to thank our first responders, our municipal employees, DPW workers, mail deliverers, and food service providers, helping us maintain some semblance of normalcy during this crisis. We're all facing numerous challenges and uncertainty, and the Westchester County Association remains hard at work on behalf of the business and nonprofit community. Some of the things we're working on. On the advocacy front, we're in constant communication with our federal, state, and local representatives, briefing them on the challenges faced by the businesses in the community and the economic impact of the crisis. On workforce development, while the retail and hospitality industries are struggling and laying off workers, there are some industry sectors that are desperately looking for employees, in particular healthcare, logistics, and delivery. And we are connecting our local universities and healthcare providers to share information about job openings and also best practices and the best way to host virtual job fairs. We're providing help for businesses. We're collaborating with our local organizations and commercial banks to share information on how businesses can try and manage through challenges with short-term liquidity. I want to mention the work being done by Community Capital. They have started administering an emergency microloan program, which is different than the federal government's SBA program for small businesses, to try and push out money to small businesses in the community as quickly as possible. Now, coming up on Thursday, the 26th, I'll be live streaming with Kim Jacobs at Community Capital. Kim will describe the emergency loan program that Community Capital is administering currently to help small businesses in Westchester. She'll describe how to apply for the loan through this program and also how to support the loan program with contributions. Kim will also explain the differences between the Community Capital Emergency Loan Program and small business loans that you could get through the U.S. Small Business Administration. We're also providing help for workers and their families through our nonprofit partners. Recently, our own Jason Chapin hosted a webcast with Jan Fisher, the Executive Director at Nonprofit Westchester, and Kathy Hallis at the Child Care Council of Westchester about the work that they are doing. And you can find those that video chat on our Facebook and LinkedIn pages. There's a lot of information out there. A lot of it is good. Some of it is not as good. And a lot of it is just repetitive. The best source of information out there during the crisis is the sanctioned government websites, and in particular, the Center for Disease Control, the New York State Empire Development Corporation, and our local county government website. We at the Westchester County Association have aggregated that information and provided links directly from our own website, which is westchester.org. So check back on our website to get the best information available on these other government-sanctioned websites. We've also started closed Facebook and LinkedIn groups to foster a sense of collaboration for the business and nonprofit community. These groups are not intended for political potshots or rants. Rather, we want you to share your challenges and your stories. We want you to share your best practices and your ideas. We want you to share your successes. Crowdsource solutions with other members through these platforms. They are closed groups, so you must join the group to get started, and you can find information on how to join these groups below. The more members we have on these groups, the more we can solve our collective challenges. We want to hear from you. So reach out to us on our website or contact us by emailing to info@westchester.org. And most importantly, stay healthy and stay well.